Hey, it's Garrett. I know it's a little noisy in here, but have you ever seen an elevator get installed, especially in South America? The elevator standards are a little bit different, but let me tell you, these Mitsubishi Hyundai elevators they use here are whisper quiet. But I'm sure they're not as good as an Otis or a TKE, but these are quite exceptional elevators. Let's take a peek and see how they're installing them. I'm gonna try and stick my hand through here to get a better view of what is going on here. Now, I think this step is the most crucial step whenever we install an elevator. Now, I've never installed an elevator. I don't pretend to even be qualified, but I can imagine the initial setting of the tracks has to be the whole lifeblood of an elevator. If those tracks are off by even a fraction, you know you're going to have problems. So I'm really quite impressed with the quality of elevators here. Now, I don't know for a safety standpoint or what the protections are, but they're so quiet and smooth that if you're not watching, that door will open and close. And if you're on your phone looking down, you will not even know it opened. And I noticed that here in Ecuador, they use a lot of Hyundai and Mitsubishi elevators. And they're quite spectacular. Anyway, guys, we got to find out the brand of this one. Let's go find out before we go. This one could be a Schindler elevator. If I'm not mistaken, I remember the developer told me Schindler. Let's take a look and see what these doors are. I don't think it shows it on that. Guys, can you tell me what brand of elevator this is going to be? I'm going to find out. Let's take a look at the call button they have. So they're using a multi-cable. It looks like it's two cables here. Here's one cable. Here's another cable. Doesn't look plenum rated. It looks just like riser cable. I'm sure this is going to be the indicator light. Lets it know what floor it's on. That's got to be just the main push button. Now this is the main lobby when you come in. So, oh, it's a Kone. This is a Kone elevator. Kone. So it must have came in this box. Kone's a great brand.